Yay! I got on almost a full 8 hours. Oh my gosh, that felt good. I was so exhausted yesterday. I took the whole day off today so that I could recover because just this week has been chaos. But I'm back to programming. Yay! Okay, now to figure out this file of this program. What am I trying to do here? When I went to start this last night, I was like, what am I reading? Is this English? Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm done. Okay. And that's the stuff they say is helpful. I've got you. Same folder. Okay, good. And you're fine. Go away. And open the examine it. Okay, so read the contents of the CSV into the dictionary, return contents of the dictionary, parameters, file name, the name of the CSV. To read, return dictionary that contains the contents of the CSV. And read contents into a compound dictionary. Name of the CSV to read, key column index. The index of the column. Compound dictionary. Okay, so I see what they're asking. And I think that's similar to basically they will with this one, it's you turn those into a key column index list or something like that, or dictionary. And it's probably be a dictionary. I don't see why, because if it's only going to be used inside of the function, why set it up outside of the function? Why not set it inside of the function? That seems like a more efficient use to me. And accordingly, both ways you're going to be returning a compound dictionary. One, you would just have as more consolidated. Okay. Now, oops. Skip Okay. Yeah, we just did literally some of this in the provinces program that I completed yesterday. Oh my gosh, sleep is so nice. And reading. So I need to skip the first line and read all the other lines. I did something like that in my last class, but I don't really care to go hunt for it. So I'll go and it'll probably be quicker to feed because I remember something in the reading that talked about that. It's like, I forget what the word was, but I know there's something in the reading. And read other lines into the file, into the dictionary. Okay. Info equals predict, and we want students.csv. I believe I need to put you into quotes so you don't. Why are you yelling at me? Okay. So it's yelling because I haven't actually completed the. Okay. Student info equals blank dictionary. Return student info. Okay, so, and now that's good. Now, with open. Oop, there we go. File name as text file. Okay. With open file name as CSV file. For line in CSV file. Now, how to put that into a dictionary? let's go back to here. So we've just got the I number and name. So I need to split the thing by the comma because that's where it's at. So strip. Okay. Let's go. Not too concerned here. Reading the CSV into a compound dictionary. This is actually just dictionary key value pairs, but reader equals use the CSV module. So wait a minute, import. Okay. So let's go ahead. Import CSV. And now oh, that's what they were suggesting. Key column index. Phone index. Okay. Let's go and pull this in. I should have the just CSV. Yes, it's there. Okay. Let's go ahead and reader CSV reader. You know, let's go ahead and because I want to get better at putting descriptions in my tech and my programs. There we go. And this is pretty much what we're trying to do. Okay. Reader equals this is literally what I was looking for. Okay. Reader equals CS file. Oh, wait a minute. Reader. CSV file. And then this is that function that I was looking for to skip the first line, which is what we want because that gets the header out of the way. So that will skip you, and then for row in reader. If the row is not blank, data from the current, add the data from the current row to the dictionary. Oh, that is so terribly worded. I am going to fix that. The row is not blank, add current row to dictionary. Fine, it's not even like their stuff is, but at least it works better. Let me read the rest of this, see if I can improve the wording. Open CSV file for reading and storing and store a reference to the open file in a variable named CSV file. Check. Use the CSV module to create a reader object that will read from the open CSV file. That's fine. I can really probably condense that down, but I'm fine with this. First contains column headings and not data. Statement skips first row of the CSV file. That's fine. It's a little wordy, but it's fine. Use the CSV module to create a reader object that will read from the open CSV file for row in reader. If okay, you're fine. If len row, oops, row does not equal 0, colon, I. Okay. Now that I see that, this is technically a list, so I see why they put the list, because that's a more accurate name for what it is. If row list. Now, yeah, fine, still keeping it there. I would just wait a minute. Is it actually 1 or would that be? Let's see here. Index. Phone index. They're indexing it by the phone number. I want it to be, I think, the I number. I wonder where they got the term I number from anyway. Add code to remove dashes from the I number that user enters. Wait, okay. Dictionary program must store each student I number as a key. So I'd want 0 for my key. And then we want U key equals, okay. Okay. And so that means I want student info key equals row list. Uh, is that what they're wanting? 'Cause let's jump up here. Print info. Okay. That's what I thought that was going to do. What are they actually wanting? One of the challenges I've seen with programming is that you need to figure out, at least in a class setting, what it is they're wanting. And I think that's actually a good skill for having in real life programming. I obviously don't know yet, but I can see why it would be, simply because by when I'm asked to program something, I'll have my interpretation of what they're asking, and then they'll have their interpretation, and I need to make sure both are the same. And core requirements must store a as the key, and each I number name pair, or each name as a value in the dictionary. Let me, wait a minute, are they saying two different things? Let me reread this. Open the CSV file for reading, skip the first line of the text, check because it only contains headings, read the other lines into of the file into a dictionary. The program must store each student I number as a key of each I number name pair, or each value in each name as a value in the dictionary. Ah, okay. And I just got the first one, and okay. And so I'm read the contents of a CSV file into a dictionary, return the dictionary. Okay, so by putting in here, they're wanting me to, or I've chosen the route to not go with the compound dictionary, but with the other. What are the stretch requirements? Add code. So actually, let me make sure, get an I number from a user, use the I number to find a corresponding student name in the dictionary and print the name. If user enters an I number that doesn't exist, your program will print a message, no such student. Add code to remove dashes. The number user enters, this will allow you users to enter I numbers with or without dashes and still search the dictionary. When a user enters an I number, your program should, what is this? Oh, your program should ensure it is a valid I number. If there are too few digits, print too few digits. Too many digits, it'll put too many digits. If besides, if the I number contains characters besides digits and dashes, your program should output invalid I number. Add something to change your program that you think would be better, easier, or more elegant. Okay. Well, it's been a bit. I am going to pause my recording, go for a quick walk, get a brain break, and then come back and finish this. Okay, I'm back. And better than ever. Not really, but well, I'm just refreshed. And so where am I at? Oh, yes. I need to convert you into key value equals row list 1. Okay, now let's check this. Okay. Okay, cool. So okay, so now I have, let's see, check, 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 check. Now to get a name from this, let's see, get an I number from the student, from the user. Okay. And now equals input. And how do they want that? Go. There we go. Okay. I want could build this into main, but I'm going to put it into a function because that's what I'm trying to get in the practice of. Oh, and I want you to be a space. Define lookup student. You will take student info and get I number and will return because the thing we're after is student name. Name. Okay, now how do I need a lot more practice with dictionaries. That puts the whole dictionary in there. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Oh, wow. They literally have it as an example. Okay. So theirs is in main. I'm putting it elsewhere. So name equals students info, and then we do brackets, get I number. Yeah. I think because you're such a weird word. There. Okay. Now. Okay. Hmm. Oh, I just bypass the looking it up together. Could do it there. Do I want to do it in there? No. Okay. If number in student info, then we look up student, else we return no such student. And now so that gives okay. So let's make sure about this. Um, I think when I do the stretch challenge, that's going to be put into another function. And I'd call it like quality check or something like that. Got an idea for it. Let's enter student number. This should return. Nope. I don't know where I just got that from, but no such student. Okay, and then oop, I didn't return student name. Okay. Else equals print student name. Okay, let's try that one more time now. Okay, yay. And let's run test students. Okay. Oh, wow. That's for checking the stretch challenge. And well, okay. I have my name. Check student. And you're going to take in student number and student info. Maybe. Now, what am I trying to do here? No, I think I'm just going to, because I'm technically behind today. Well, this week, it's been a crazy enough week. While I know how to do that, I don't think I want to. Because I've got 12 more assignments I need to complete if I'm going to get back on schedule. Technically 13. And I want to use my time wisely. This is optional, so I'm going to leave it as optional. Let's go take a look at what they did and see and walk through it, because I still want to learn. Okay. Common task. Look up or name index. I don't know why this format is just much more pleasing to read than that over there. Okay, so they do your I number. not. Okay, so they use isDigit function, built-in function they use the replace to literally just replace and assign it back to itself without it. And if there's not a dash, that would leave the dash out. That would just, it wouldn't find anything, wouldn't do anything. If it's not a number, 0 through 9, then this will trigger. Otherwise, oh, they just have an else. Oh, I never thought, I guess you could do that. That's interesting. I never thought about that. Happy I looked at this. And for if length of I number is less than 9, then they return, hey, this is too few digits. If it's greater than 9, they return this is too many digits. Simple if else if statement, and then they have another nested if else statement. If it's not in the dictionary, they return no such student. Otherwise, they return the value. And they have all of that in. Oh, that's interesting. Test students define. Check student. Students dictionary, I number. Huh. Cool. Well, that's it for this coding session. I'll likely be hopping back on and doing more later on today because I have a two, yeah, 3, 4. I don't know if I'm going to get that much done. Some of this might be done tomorrow, but I've got 4 more things I'm going to be doing programming wise. But I have another class I'm going to do first. So I will end this for now and probably hop back on later.